Hello, friends. I hope you are all doing well. Do you enjoy taking on challenges? If so, this video is for you. You will see the question first, try to answer it, then you can see the answer. After that, listen to the answer again and pause the video. Finally, try to say something yourself.
Do you work or are you a student?
Audio Jungle.
I am a student. I am currently doing my computer science study.
What time do you have breakfast?
Audio Jungle.
I have breakfast at 7:15.
How many members do you have in your family?
Audio Jungle.
I have 5 members in my family, including me.
How long have you been here?
Audio Jungle.
I have been here for 3 weeks.
How much is this?
Audio Jungle.
This is $7.
How much does cost?
Audio Jungle.
It's $1.
Tell me some good sides of social media.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Social media allows people to connect with others, share information and ideas, and build communities. It's a great way to network and advance your career. It also helps spread awareness about important issues and events and lets you communicate and collaborate with people from anywhere in the world. It can also be a powerful tool for networking and career development.
Why physical exercise is important for our health?
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Exercise strengthens your heart and improves your circulation. Physical exercise is important for our health because it can help reduce the risk of chronic diseases, improve mood and mental health, increase energy levels, and promote better sleep. It can also strengthen muscles and bones, improve balance and coordination, and help maintain a healthy weight. Overall, regular physical activity is essential for maintaining good health and well-being.
How important English language in our life can you explain?
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
The English language is incredibly important in our lives. It is the most widely spoken language in the world and is used for business, science, and communication between different cultures. In today's globalized world, English is the language of international trade and diplomacy. It is also the language of the internet, which means that anyone who wants to engage with the online world needs to have at least basic English language skills. Furthermore, English is the language of higher education and academic research. It is the language in which most scientific papers are written, and it is the language of instruction in many universities around the world. Therefore, if you want to pursue a career in academia or research, it is essential to have a good command of English. In addition to these practical reasons, English also has cultural significance. It is the language of Shakespeare, Dickens, and Austen, and it has played a significant role in the development of modern literature. It is also the language of popular culture, with films, TV shows, and music being produced in English, and music being produced in English and enjoyed by people all over the world. In summary, the importance of the English language cannot be overstated. It is a language that connects people from different cultures and enables communication and understanding. It is essential for success in business, education, and the online world, and it has cultural significance that reaches far beyond its practical uses.
How often do you dance?
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I dance almost every day, generally. Where I dance is club or party. We meet up with friends. I try to make sure I dance for at least an hour on some days, as I find it to be a fun and invigorating way to stay active.
Who do you usually dance with?
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
I usually dance with my dance group. There are 8 members of us, and we are quite close. I have been dancing with these girls since I was 6 years old. We dance at a club next to my home for 10 minutes on foot.
Have you ever danced in front of an audience?
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Yes, have. I have performed at various dance recitals over the years which people have been attending from over a dozen to hundreds. Just last month, we performed at a friend's wedding.
Why do you love your city?
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
People may love their city for various reasons. Some of these include the familiarity and comfort they feel as they may have grown up in the city. The strong community and relationships they have built over time also contribute to their affection for the place. Additionally, the city's cultural and historical significance may instill a sense of pride and attachment. For others, the city may offer numerous career opportunities or a job they love, making it a desirable place to live. The availability of recreational activities, events, and entertainment can add to the appeal of the city's vibrant lifestyle. Moreover, the natural beauty, parks, or landscapes present in the city can make it visually pleasing. Access to quality health care, education, transportation, and essential services may further enhance their love for the city. Lastly, the diversity of people, cultures, and perspectives present in the city can create a rich and dynamic environment that many find enjoyable and welcoming.
Do you like hot drinks? Why or why not?
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Yes, I do enjoy hot drinks. I start my day with a cup of homemade tea. I have always been a tea lover since my childhood. I think it's not just a drink, it's culture. So, back in my country, we used to have tea at least twice a day. A cup in the morning with breakfast and another one during any time of the day, mostly evening.
So, is tea very popular in your country?
Yes, we have a wide variety of flavors available, and you can easily find them at any corner of the street.
Have you been to a crowded place? If yes, where was it?
So, one of the most crowded places I have ever been to was Central Market in the city.
When you went there?
We went there at about 10 p.m., a few hours before midnight, and we thought it would be busy, but nothing prepared us for such an enormous crowd. And we saw that the traffic was very slow. As we approached the downtown area and the central bridge on the river, and as we got close to the bridge, we could see that police had sealed off several blocks off from the city, so we had to get out of our car and walk the rest of the way, and it took us 15 to 20 minutes to reach.
With whom you went there?
I went with some friends to see the celebrations there, and I could not believe the number of people there. I saw that night. Most of the people went there to see the fireworks show, and the crowd was enormous. People there were just dancing, drinking, and eating. They were just enjoying themselves and having the time of their lives.